kwentong posporo. Meron pong kwento ng isang pamilya. They lived inside the matchbox. Alam po niyang buhay nila dyan? Miserable. Why? So dark, so crowded, so hot. Ang pinakahihintay po nila is whenever that matchbox was open. They are so happy. Bakit po? They see this thing called light. Liwanag. Wow, so bright. But once it's closed, malungkot na naman. Happy, but sad. It was a happy moment when they see the light, but also very sad. Ganun talaga ang buhay, no? Happy pero sad. Alam niyo, ang buhay kasi parang life. Basta what is important is yung mahalaga. And remember this, wherever you are there. Halatang obvious ba? Anyway, going back to this story. Malungkot kasi every time na binubuksan, isa sa mga kapatid nila kinukuha. Pagkasarado ganon, hindi na nila alam. It was goodbye forever. They had no idea what happened. Very sad for them. Happy but sad. One day, according to this story, pagbunot ng mama ng palito, itong isa po, napasama, nahulog. At ito pong isa, nakita niya. Wow, sabi niya, ganito pala sa labas ng posporo. Napakaliwanag. Light all the time. Inside, we only saw a glimpse of the light. Wow. Second, masaya siya kasi nakita niya kung anong nangyayari sa mga kapatid niya. Unfortunately, yung una, nilabas, pinantutpik. Ganun, sabi niya. Anong pala nangyayari sa mga kapatid ko? Sabi niya. Isa pa, tinanggal, pinangkurikor, tinilapay. He was amazed at all this. But his greatest joy, mga kapatid, pag hugot ganun, yung mama did this. And behold, there was this thing called light. The light, oh my God, sabi niya, yung hinahanap-hanap pala namin na ilaw. Nasa amin. Nasa amin yung ilaw na hinahanap-hanap namin. And this was his greatest realization. And he said, sana makabalik ako sa bahay. Masabihan ko mga mahal ko sa buhay na yung hinahanap namin, nasa amin na pala. According to this story, yung mama, may nakitang palito. Medyo kuripot, taga Pangasinan. Sabi niya, sayang ito. Ibalik natin. You know, he was reunited with his family. At lahat ng namit niya, huy, yung hinahanap mong ilaw nasa iyo. The light is in you. The light is in you. The light is in us. And he told them everyone. And according to this story, some believed him. Some did not. End of the story. Mga kapatid, there was only one person who died and came back to life to tell us there is a beautiful life after death. That's our Lord Jesus Christ.